Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to add glow effect in thumbnails. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, take a solid color layer and change its blend mode to screen. Add a gradient that have dark color on left and light color on right side. Take a dark color that you like. Then add a light color of dark color. Take an empty layer and clip it to the black color layer and clip gradient layer to the empty layer. Then take a big and soft brush and paint it on subject BG. After that, copy layers of glow and paste it up to subject layer. Delete the empty layer and add a new empty layer. Then with soft brush start painting glow around subject. You can use smudge tool for better result. Here it is. Thanks for watching. If you need more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Comment which YouTuber thumbnail breakdown you need.